morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Sunday. The first day of the week for me. Most of you have today off, but as you know, I work, or at least do videos and cook 7 days a week. Being Sunday, I normally would say I've already gone and done my shopping this morning. Aha! I've been doing a lot of research and recon missions. I actually did my shopping last night, about 8:30-ish. I went to a different store. Here's the wonderful produce I purchased last night. I normally don't talk about money, but I'm going to talk about money. I personally think, a lot of money. These vegetables cost me about $10. I saved over $10. So yeah. Last night, I can't leave anything alone, can I? I started with a 4-cheese Red Baron pizza. And then I added goodies. Let me see if I can remember them all. Garlic, which I won't do again. Too much garlic. Garlic, red onion, baby spinach, which I tore. And Arby's sauce. I used horsey sauce earlier in the week. Last night I used Arby's sauce. I've been a big fan of Arby's sauce since I was a child. Yeah. And more cheese and sliced jalapeno pickled jalapeno slices. And I'm forgetting something. I don't remember. But it was really good. I had fun. Today, Korean Bulgogi Meatballs. When I first saw this recipe, I'm like, yeah, I'm doing this one. I like bulgogi. This is a 2-part recipe, technically. You got the meatballs themselves, and then you have what they are calling a glaze or a sauce. Let's get to it. These are my kind of meatballs. They're baked. Medium saucepan for the glaze. So I'm starting off with a pound of ground beef. In it, the meatballs themselves, is garlic, an Asian pear. Basically, I bought this Asian pear last night at the store I went to. Brown sugar. There's going to be fresh grated ginger, which I actually got this ginger over at LA Merchandise at a great savings. There's green onion in both the meatballs themselves and in the glaze. Good old panko. An egg, got to have an egg in meatballs. Black pepper. And for everything else, basically for the glaze, is soy sauce, honey, rice vinegar, mirin, sesame oil, some sesame seeds, and some brown sugar. And I can't find red peppers, so I'm using a serrano, this is basically a garnish going along with the sesame seeds. I will thinly slice this pepper. So here are the goodies for tonight's dinner. Like I said, I did a bunch of research this last week or so. The last couple of weeks on pricing. I'll get more into that later, possibly in a special message. I'm still working on the goldfish seafood market video. I got sidetracked yesterday. Excuse me. Plus, I was working on some technical issues so I could do what I want to do for the goldfish piece. All right, on this Sunday, it's supposed to be a very nice day today. Have a great day eat great food, and have fun cooking.